Hey everybody, good morning. It's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review, recommendation, a little demonstration over a product that was sent to me from, I think it's pronounced Amazsafe, something like Amazsafe. So I know everybody thinks, man, those are weird looking handcuffs. What are they used for? That kind of stuff. You know what I'm thinking. But it is actually a lock for a scooter, bicycle, motorcycle. I mean, you could use it on anything. I'm actually going to use this on my boat, and I'm going to lock my steering wheel down so that nobody could ever take it and drive off with it. And I'm also going to use it on my bicycle and whatnot. I'm going to try it a couple different places. It's heavy duty. I can tell you this. I don't know if you can hear this, but listen. That is some serious stuff right there. So it comes with keys and a programmable combination that you can do. Just read the directions. But it is definitely unique. Like there, I locked it just there. But basically, you could use it almost on anything. I got a little hand cart here I'm just going to demonstrate on. So let's say I wanted to go somewhere and I wanted to lock this thing in here. You know, I'm just going to undo this. I'm going to lock that bad boy to right there. Turn that one. Then I'll lock this bad boy right to here. Don't want to lose those keys that just fell off. And now it's locked up, you know. So there you go. The Amazsafe handcuff lock for a bicycle, scooter, or whatever you want to use it for, motorcycle. You know, play around with it. Different ideas for different things. I think you're going to like it as much as I do. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.